Welcome to Finva. Here's a quick tutorial to help you get started. First, you can select your preferred currency. Select the currency you want to use and tap Continue. This is the Data Backup and Restore section. If you already have a backup, you can easily restore it here. If no backup is available, you can skip this step and continue. Now, let's set up your accounts. First, we need to set up an account. Go to More Settings and tap Accounts. Here, you can add and manage your bank accounts. Use Add Account to create a new account or edit an existing account and enter your bank name. Next, enter your current account balance in the Initial Balance field and tap Update. You can also edit the cash amount, enter the cash amount you currently have and update it. You can add more bank accounts or other accounts later whenever needed. Next, let's add your first income transaction. Let's see how to add an income transaction. Tap the plus icon and select Income. Enter the received amount in the Amount field. Then select the account where the money was received. You can also add a new account if needed. Choose a category. You can create your own categories as required. For example, select Salary. Next, select a tag. Tags are optional. They help you organize and find transactions easily later. For example, select Work. After entering all the details, tap Save. Once saved successfully, the transaction will appear on the dashboard. Now, let's see how to record an expense. To add an expense transaction, tap the plus icon on the dashboard. Select Expense from the tabs at the top. Enter the expense amount in the Amount field and select the account used for the expense. Choose the appropriate category. You can create new categories if needed. Adding a tag is optional, but it helps organize and analyze your expenses more effectively. You can also add extra details in Notes section if required. After entering all the details, tap Save. The expense will appear on the dashboard and in the transaction history. You can also transfer money between your accounts. For example, when withdrawing money from your bank account to cash or depositing cash into your bank account. To create a transfer, select the Transfer tab. Enter the amount. Choose the From account. Choose the To account. Add notes if needed. Tap Transfer. Once completed, the balances of both accounts will be updated automatically and the transfer will appear in the transaction history. Next, let's create and manage your categories. Go to More Settings and select Categories. Here, you can add, edit, or delete categories. You can create separate categories for income and expense transactions. For example, let's create a new expense category called Fuels. Enter the category name, select an icon, tap Save. The category will then be available when adding transactions. Now, let's organize your transactions using tags. Go to More Settings and select Tags. Here, you can create new tags and delete unwanted ones. For example, create a tag called Car. Now, let's use this tag in an expense transaction. Select Expense. Choose the account. Select Fuels as the category. Select Car as the tag. Add notes if needed. Tap Save. Later, you can easily check how much fuel expense was spent on your car through the Reports section. You can also create budgets to track your spending. Go to More Settings and select Budget. Tap Create Budget to create a new budget. Enter a budget name. Enter the budget amount. Select one or more categories to track. Tap Create Budget to save it. You can create multiple budgets for different purposes such as fuel, food, shopping, and more. This helps you manage your expenses and stay within your planned budget. Let's explore the Smart Credit Manager. Smart Credit Manager is a digital credit book that helps you track credit purchases, payments, and outstanding balances. Go to More Settings and select Smart Credit Manager. You can add a shop, credit card, or any other credit source. For example, shop name, MN Store. Category, Shopping. Tag Home. Adding a credit limit and due date is optional. Tap Save. Select MN Store from the list. To record a credit purchase, tap Add Purchase. Amount Rs 250. Description Grocery. Tap Save. Add another purchase. Amount Rs 200. Description Vegetables. Tap Save. Now the total amount due is Rs 450. To record a payment, tap Make Payment, enter Rs 400, save the payment. The remaining outstanding balances will be Rs 50. You can manage multiple shops, credit cards, and credit sources in the same way. Now, let's automate your recurring transactions. Scheduled transactions help you automatically record recurring transactions. Go to More Settings and select the Scheduled Transactions. Tap Add New. For example, to create a recurring expense, select Expense, enter the amount, enter a title, choose an account, select a category, add a tag if needed. Choose the schedule frequency such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Set the start date and choose an end type. After entering all details, tap Schedule Transaction and save it. The app will automatically record transactions based on your selected schedule. Let's keep your data safe with Backup and Sync. Even if you lose your phone, change devices, or reinstall the app, your data can be restored easily. To use this feature, go to More Settings. Select Backup and Sync. Tap Connect to Drive. Choose your Google account. After connecting, enable Scheduled Backup. Select a backup frequency such as daily. If you want to create a backup immediately, tap Backup Now. Your data will be backed up to Google Drive.